kitchen item. This product helps reduce the time you spend at the kitchen sink. Allows you to get one sponge with this dispenser. We will see how to use this. Open the top tray, fill it with liquid solution and then assemble it. Then use the included sponge to press down on the pump, which dispenses the perfect amount of the dish soap onto the sponge. What I really like about this soap dispenser is it's transparent to see the soap levels. Also, the plastic used is of high quality, long lasting. This innovative product is very convenient to use and is a must have if you are using liquid dish soap. Since high quality pump is used, it sucks the dish soap onto the sponge smoothly. Also, it looks compact, neat and organized. I would surely recommend this product. When using for the first time, press 8 to 10 times and regularly press once while using. This liquid soap dispenser is worth buying. Thank you.